How does heat affect heart rate zones? Have you ever wondered how heat impacts your heart rate during exercise? It is a fascinating topic that plays a significant role in fitness and wellness careers, especially for those involved in fitness program design. Let's break it down. When the body is exposed to high temperatures, several changes occur that affect how our heart functions. First, heat raises skin temperature. This leads to increased blood flow to the skin, helping to cool the body through sweating. As a result, the heart must pump more blood, which raises the heart rate to maintain proper circulation. Even during mild exercise or rest in hot conditions, heart rate tends to rise. This happens because blood pools in the skin vessels, and the heart compensates by beating faster. While stroke volume, or the amount of blood pumped per beat, may decrease slightly, the overall cardiac output can still increase due to the higher heart rate. Now, during moderate to intense exercise and heat, the heart rate increases even more. However, stroke volume decreases more significantly. This occurs because the heart has less time to fill between beats as the heart rate rises. Consequently, cardiac output may not increase as much as one might expect, even with a higher heart rate. The cardiovascular system faces the challenge of balancing the demands of exercising muscles while cooling the body. From a heart rate zone training perspective, this means that athletes will see their heart rates elevated even at lower exercise intensities and hot conditions. For instance, heart rates can increase by 2 for beats per minute with moderate heat and by 10 beats per minute or more in very hot conditions. High humidity makes this situation worse since it impairs sweat evaporation, leading to even more cardiovascular strain. For athletes and fitness professionals, it is essential to adjust heart rate zones when training in heat. Training at the same pace as in cooler conditions can push heart rates into higher zones, which may not accurately reflect exercise intensity. It is advisable to reduce pace or extend recovery periods to keep heart rates within intended zones. This adjustment helps prevent overtraining and excessive cardiovascular stress. Dehydration is another factor that commonly occurs in heat. It raises heart rate because blood volume decreases, which reduces stroke volume. Even a small fluid loss, around 1% of body weight, can increase heart rate by about 7 beats per minute. Understanding these heat-related changes is vital for designing safe and effective fitness programs, especially for athletes training or competing in hot environments. Fitness professionals should educate athletes on the importance of hydration and acclimatization to heat. Adjusting training intensity based on heart rate responses is key to maintaining performance and safety. Heat acclimation training can improve cardiovascular efficiency by increasing blood plasma volume. This helps the heart pump more effectively and may reduce heart rate response over time. In summary, heat elevates heart rate across all zones by increasing cardiovascular demand for thermoregulation and compensating for reduced stroke volume. Proper adjustment of heart rate zones and training strategies in hot conditions is essential for athlete safety and effective fitness program design.